90% of people are destroying their financial future every single day, and they don't even realize it. Small, invisible mistakes are draining thousands from your bank account every single month. You're letting fortune slip away. The difference between wealthy people and broke people isn't income. It's avoiding these critical financial mistakes. But once you understand these mistakes, you can avoid them and finally build the wealth you deserve. In the next 20 minutes, I will explain every single money mistake so you can avoid financial disaster. Here are the 20 money mistakes destroying your financial future. From spending traps, to investing errors, to income limitations, we will cover everything. Mistake number 1. Lifestyle inflation. The silent wealth destroyer that gets everyone. Lifestyle inflation happens when your income increases, but your spending increases even faster. You earn more, but save nothing. You get a raise, so you immediately upgrade your apartment, buy a nicer car, eat at expensive restaurants. Your wealth stays at zero. Solution: when income increases, keep your lifestyle constant and direct all extra money to savings and investments. That's how wealth builds. Mistake number 2. Impulse buying. The instant gratification trap that destroys budgets. Impulse buying is emotional spending. Buying things instantly without thinking, driven by feelings not needs, always followed by regret. Solution: use the 24-hour rule. Before any non-essential purchase, wait 1 day. Most impulse desires disappear, saving you thousands. Mistake number 3. Keeping up with the Joneses. Spending money you don't have to impress people. You see others with luxury items, vacations, designer goods, so you buy the same things, going into debt for external validation. Truth: most people displaying wealth are drowning in debt. Their impressive lifestyle is an illusion built on credit cards. Solution: focus only on your own financial goals. Ignore what others have or display. True wealth is built privately. Mistake number 4. Buying luxury vehicles. The fastest way to destroy wealth legally. Luxury vehicles lose 20% of their value instantly when you drive off the lot, then continue depreciating, destroying $50,000 or more. Plus insurance, maintenance, fuel, and repairs cost a fortune. Buying a modest, reliable vehicle instead allows investing the difference, building actual wealth. Mistake number 5. Eating out too often. The small daily expense destroying your future. A $15 lunch daily equals $300 monthly, $3,600 yearly. Over 10 years, that's $36,000 gone. Solution: meal prep once weekly. It costs a fraction of eating out. Invest the savings. Over a decade, that's a $100,000 wealth difference. Mistake number 6. Not having a budget. Flying blind financially guarantees you stay broke. Without a budget, money disappears mysteriously. You earn it, it flows away randomly. The month ends, and you wonder where everything went. Solution: create a budget. Assign every dollar a job, needs, savings, investments, wants. You control the money instead of wondering where it went. Mistake number 7. No emergency fund. One unexpected expense destroys everything you built. Unexpected medical bill, car breaks down, or job loss. With no emergency fund, you're forced into high-interest debt, creating a spiral. Solution: build an emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses in a savings account. When a crisis hits, you handle it without debt, and wealth building continues. Mistake number 8. Carrying high-interest debt. The absolute fastest way to stay poor forever. A credit card at 18% interest means you pay double for everything purchased. Wealth flows to the bank instead of your future. Solution: use the debt avalanche method. Pay minimums on everything, attack the highest interest rate first, then roll payments down. It destroys debt fastest mathematically. Mistake number 9. Paying only minimum payments. The slow-motion financial destruction that never ends. Paying the minimum on a $5,000 balance takes 30 years and costs $15,000 total. You pay triple because banks designed it that way. Solution: pay 10 times the minimum amount. The debt is gone in months instead of decades. Save $13,000 in decades of life. Mistake number 10. Using payday loans. The predatory trap that destroys lives. Use once, stay trapped forever. Payday loans charge 400% interest. Borrow 506. Solution: literally anything else. Negotiate bills, borrow from family, sell items, side hustle, community assistance. Every option is better than the payday trap. Mistake number 11. Ignoring retirement planning. The crisis you're creating for your future self. Start investing at 25, reach 1 million. Wait until 45, only reach 200,000. Delaying costs you $800,000. Solution. Start today. Even a small amount matters. Compound interest needs time. Every month you delay costs thousands in future wealth. Mistake number 12. Market timing. Trying to predict the unpredictable guarantees you lose. You wait for the perfect entry. The market rises without you. You finally buy at the peak. Then it crashes. You perfectly time losses instead of gains. Solution. Invest consistently regardless of market conditions. Time in the market beats timing the market. Dollar cost averaging removes emotion and builds wealth automatically. Mistake number 13. Lack of diversification. Putting everything in one investment. When it fails, you lose everything. Entire savings in one company stock? If that company fails or the industry disrupts, you lose everything. Decades of savings gone instantly. Solution. Diversify across stocks, bonds, real estate, sectors, and countries. If one fails, others continue growing. Diversification protects wealth. Mistake number 14. Fear paralysis. Keeping money in savings where inflation destroys it. Money in savings loses 3% yearly to inflation. In 10 years, your purchasing power is down 30%. Safety is a guaranteed loss. Solution. Educate yourself about investing. Understand markets and risk management. Informed decisions beat inflation. Fear guarantees poverty. Mistake number 15. Chasing trends. Buying whatever is hot guarantees you buy high and sell low. You hear about a hot investment. Buy at the peak. It crashes. You panic sell. Then the next trend appears. Repeat the cycle. Guaranteed losses. Solution. Ignore trends. Invest in fundamentals consistently. Boring strategies with discipline build more wealth than exciting speculation ever will. Mistake number 16. Accepting an income ceiling. You can only cut expenses so far, but income has no limit. You cut expenses to the bare minimum. Can't cut more without suffering. Savings are capped at a low level. Wealth building is limited by your income ceiling. Solution. Focus on increasing income. Skills, side businesses, freelancing, passive income. Earning potential is unlimited. Wealth building accelerates dramatically. Mistake number 17. Lifestyle creep. Small upgrades that slowly expand until you're broke at a higher income. Small upgrades seem harmless. A slightly better apartment, nicer car, premium subscriptions. Years later, lifestyle consumes all income. Savings are still zero. Solution. Before every lifestyle upgrade, pause. Ask, need or want. Resist creep. Direct upgrade money to investments. Modest life, wealthy portfolio. Mistake number 18. Tolerating bank fees. The small silent theft that adds up to thousands. ATM fees, overdraft charges, monthly maintenance. Individually small, but total $800 yearly? Over a lifetime, that's $20,000 stolen for nothing. Solution. Switch to a zero-fee bank account. Online banks and credit unions charge nothing. Redirect all fee money to investments instead. Mistake number 19. Not negotiating. Passive acceptance of the first offer costs you hundreds of thousands over a lifetime. Accepting the first job offer versus negotiating 5% higher. Over a career, that's a $200,000 difference from one conversation. Solution. Negotiate everything. Salary, rent, car prices, medical bills, interest rates, service contracts. The worst they say is no. The best saves thousands. Mistake number 20. Ignoring credit score. Bad credit costs you hundreds of thousands over a lifetime. Excellent credit versus poor credit on a mortgage means 3% versus 7%. Over 30 years, that's a $150,000 difference. Solution. Pay on time. Keep utilization low. Maintain old accounts. Excellent credit saves a fortune on every loan. Car, house, everything. 20 money mistakes explained. You now understand every trap that keeps people broke. Knowledge is your protection. Two people, same income. One ignorant of mistakes, stays broke forever. One educated about traps, builds wealth. Knowledge makes all the difference. Avoiding these mistakes doesn't feel dramatic daily, but compound over decades. Small, wise choices create a massive wealth difference. Your challenge: pick 3 mistakes you're making. Commit to fixing them this month. Knowledge without action changes nothing. Take control now. Most people lose money to preventable mistakes. You're now protected. Your wealth can compound uninterrupted, while others stay trapped. Over 40 years, making these mistakes versus avoiding them means the difference between poverty and prosperity. Millions lost or gained. Breaking these patterns doesn't just change your life, it changes your family's trajectory for generations. Financial wisdom becomes a legacy. If this video opened your eyes to money traps, subscribe for more financial education. Like and share to help others escape mistakes. Comment below which mistake surprised you most and which one you're working to fix. Let's learn together. Share this video with someone making these mistakes. You could save them from years of financial struggle. Knowledge shared multiplies impact. Combined, these 20 mistakes cost the average person over $1 million in lifetime wealth. Same income, different outcome based purely on knowledge. Remember, wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about how many mistakes you avoid. You now have the knowledge. Use it.